Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another beautiful day in lockdown, and to keep myself positive, I've decided that I am going to bleach my hair again. Woohoo! Yay! Because it went so well last time. So as you can see, my hair is greasy, my top is ready. I have been a good girl and ordered some actual tools this time. Some of you lovely people commented on my last bleaching video, which I will link here, giving me some tips on how to get rid of some of the yellow. So I've been a busy girl, I've got some new tools, like a profesh, and I also got some weaker bleach, like you guys suggested. This is 20 vol, but I've been doing some reading, and apparently you can dilute it with water. So I'm going to go full on chemistry project and try and do that, and basically do a type of bleach bath thing to try and fix some of the patchiness and take out the yellow. What could go wrong, guys? That sounds familiar. And with that, let's jump right into the video. Okay guys, so this is the science lab bit that I mentioned. I genuinely feel like I'm going to be crafting like I do in Animal Crossing. So I've got my Bee Blonde powder again. Just going to use one sachet. So from everything that I've read online, it should be 2 parts developer to 1 part powder. So I've got my scales. Which I've now turned off. Great. Well, this says it's 25 grams, so that's fine. So I basically need to put 50 grams of developer. I'm looking at Ed, who's holding the camera. Like, is that right? Yeah? We have no idea what we're doing. We're not qualified, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Probably shouldn't sniff it. Okay. Shit. I forgot to stop. So there's 62 grams of developer, and I'm gonna add like a splash of water, I think, to take it up to 75, because I personally think that I should be doing 75 mils of liquid. Let me just take a jug. Okay. Okay. So now that's like what I'm working with. And I'm gonna just mix it up and hope for the best, basically. I do have another powder of bleach if this doesn't look right. But I am trying to go for a much lighter, like, situation. Because I obviously used 30 vol last time, which was probably quite brave of me in retrospect, so. Oh, my boobs are jiggling. Obviously it's not fully mixed yet, but it's kind of looking similar to what I had last time, so I'm feeling like I'm confident in what I've just done. Well, we'll see what's the worst can happen. It's just my hair. Okay, so now that that's all mixed up, I am gonna start a time lapse of me applying it to my head, and we will see where we go. Okay guys, so we've just watched the Bleach out and I'm going to take a look at the second round for the first time. I swear that looks worse. How does it look worse? So I'm going to go ahead and tone it now and hopefully we'll see an improvement, but I generally think I've somehow bleached it darker. What? So I just realised I didn't actually shampoo after the bleach and then put toner on. I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna leave it. Do you know what? It's a look. So I'll see you guys in 30. So I just got out the shower, so I'm in my robe and I've just kind of dried my hair and oh my god guys, like this is what I wanted the first time, this kind of result, and I probably could have got it in one lightning if I hadn't pussied out, but I'm so glad I went back in with another layer of bleach. I'm gonna go and doll myself up a bit, style my hair. I'm so happy. I'll be right back. See you soon guys.
One eternity later.
Hi guys. So I've had a really super chill rest of my day. So as you can see, I haven't really done anything with my hair since I've dyed it. And I couldn't be able to put on a face full of makeup. Sorry, love you. But I have put a little bow in my hair and I am loving it. So I hope you enjoyed this update on my hair situation. I am so much happier with it. It's turned out exactly how I wanted and we are just super pleased. So I hope you're all staying safe and I'll see you in the next one. Love ya.